Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Ring Elite is probably one of the most advanced and feature-rich video doorbells on the market, offering unparalleled security and convenience for your home. With its crystal-clear HD video, two-way talk functionality, and motion detection capabilities, you can keep an eye on your property from anywhere in the world using your smartphone or tablet. Its sleek design and robust construction ensure it can withstand the elements while seamlessly integrating into your home's aesthetic, providing peace of mind and a sophisticated upgrade to your home security system. Number 5. Elite Sportz Ring Toss Game. Introducing the ultimate outdoor game for your family. It's perfect for kids and adults, bringing endless fun to your backyard gatherings. This classic game is designed for simple enjoyment. It's a fantastic way to keep everyone entertained and active outdoors, making it ideal for parties and BBQs. Our set includes 5 durable rope rings and a robust wooden base with score markings. They are easy to throw and built to last through countless games. This game is more than just fun, it helps develop essential hand-eye coordination, motor skills, and social skills. It's a great way to encourage friendly competition. Encourage your children to get outside and away from screens with this engaging activity. It promotes active play and healthy habits in a fun way. Setting it up is a breeze, and you can play it almost anywhere. It's perfect for your backyard, but also portable enough for trips to the beach or park. What we like. This is a fantastic choice for outdoor family fun. It's built to last and encourages active play. If you're looking for a way to get kids aged 4 to 8 outdoors and developing coordination, this is the perfect fit for your backyard. What people say. The Ring Elite is a great product that works well and has a good design. The Ring Elite has a good functionality and features that are very useful. The Ring Elite is a fact product that works well and has a good design. Number 4. Redragon M913 Impact Elite Wireless Gaming Mouse. Experience the best of both worlds with wired and wireless connectivity. Easily accessible shortcuts maximize your damage output in any game. Dominate the competition with an advanced optical sensor that registers every click and swipe instantaneously. Enjoy unparalleled efficiency, accuracy, and low latency. Keep the game going with an energy-efficient design and a long-lasting battery. Enjoy up to 45 hours of gameplay with the lighting on, or extend it to 80 hours in eco mode. Adapt to any gaming situation with 5 onboard DPI levels, ranging from 1000 to 16,000. Fine-tune your sensitivity to match your unique playstyle and reduce the time it takes to get comfortable. Unlock your full potential with 16 programmable buttons, including 12 side buttons, all customizable through dedicated software. Even in wireless mode, tailor your setup to achieve victory your way. What we like. Experience lightning-fast response times and unparalleled customization. With its advanced sensor and extensive programmability, it's ideal for serious gamers. If you demand precision, speed, and the ability to tailor every button for MMOs or other complex games, this is the mouse for you. What people say. The Ring Elite is a great doorbell camera with excellent video quality and a wide field of view. Installation was straightforward, and the app is user-friendly, making it easy to manage settings and view live feeds. The motion detection is highly accurate, providing timely alerts without too many false positives. Number 3. Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit, Newest Model. Introducing the newest Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit. It's a wireless smart home security system designed for easy setup and expandable to fit your needs. This kit is a great fit for 2 to 4 bedroom homes. It includes everything you need to get started, like a base station, keypads, contact sensors, motion detectors, and a range extender. Easily arm and disarm your system with the intuitive keypad. The contact sensors will alert you when doors or windows are opened. Customize your security by choosing the Ring Alarm kit that best suits you. You can add more sensors and accessories later to detect even more. Receive instant mobile notifications when your system is triggered. Monitor all your Ring devices conveniently through the Ring app. Subscribe to a Ring Protect plan for added benefits. Arm your system from anywhere, keep it online during Wi-Fi outages, and get 24/7 professional monitoring for emergencies. Enjoy hands-free control. With a Ring Protect subscription, you can arm and disarm your Ring alarm using just your voice with Alexa. What we like. This offers robust security for homes or businesses. It's designed for straightforward setup and provides remote access via a mobile app. If you need a reliable and expandable security system for a 2 to 4 bedroom home and want the option for professional monitoring, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. The Ring Elite is a great product that works well. The design of the Ring Elite is sleek and modern. The functionality of the Ring Elite is impressive, with advanced features. Number 2. Clutch Pro iPhone Charger. Introducing the Clutch Pro, the world's thinnest iPhone charger. It's a powerful yet incredibly compact portable power bank designed for your convenience. Measuring just 0.32 inches thick, this mini charger boasts a sleek, modern design. It's engineered to be the most compact iPhone power bank, adding a touch of elegance to your everyday carry. Take it anywhere with confidence. It's TSA approved and cleared for all airline carry-on bags, making it the perfect travel companion without any hassle. Simply snap it on. Its powerful magnet attaches directly to your iPhone or MagSafe case. The built-in lightning cable ensures you're always ready to charge hands-free. Get a full charge in under 45 minutes. This 5000 mAh power bank can fully charge an iPhone 14 from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes. LED indicators show remaining power. It's designed for iPhone 14 and all earlier Lightning port models. This makes it a thoughtful gift for any iPhone user who needs reliable power on the go. What we like. Never worry about a dead phone again with this incredibly portable charger. Its slim profile and magnetic connection make it incredibly convenient. If you're an iPhone user who travels frequently or simply hates carrying bulky power banks, this snap-on solution is a game-changer. What people say. The Ring Elite is a great product. It has a sleek design and is easy to install. The video quality is excellent, and the motion detection works flawlessly. The integration with other smart home devices is seamless, making it a convenient addition to any home. Number 1. Ring Alarm Pro 14-piece kit. Introducing the newest Ring Alarm Pro, the best home security system designed to protect your home. It features a built-in Aero Wi-Fi 6 router, ensuring your connected home runs on a secure and reliable network. This comprehensive 14-piece kit includes everything you need for robust home protection. Easily expand your coverage to secure more rooms and detect more threats as your needs grow. Experience lightning-fast and secure internet with speeds up to 900 megabits per second, covering up to 1,500 square feet. It helps keep all your devices connected and provides optional online threat protection for added security. Installation is a breeze with everything included in the box. Just plug in the base station, set up through the intuitive Ring and Aero apps, and place your sensors. It's that easy. Gain ultimate peace of mind with optional Ring Protect plans. Arm your system remotely, keep it online during Wi-Fi outages, and benefit from 24/7 professional monitoring for emergencies. Unlock even more potential by connecting a wide range of Ring accessories and smart devices. Secure every corner of your home and integrate seamlessly with your existing smart home setup. Enjoy the convenience of hands-free control. With a Ring Protect subscription, you can easily arm and disarm your system using just your voice with Alexa. What we like. This system elevates home security with the added benefit of a built-in Wi-Fi 6 router. It ensures a fast and secure network while protecting your home. If you're looking for an advanced, all-in-one security solution that also boosts your home's internet performance and connectivity, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The Ring Elite is a great product for home security. The video quality is excellent, even at night. Installation was straightforward and the app is user-friendly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.